Hello, my name is Yuri. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import sales users into your sales application using the Sales User Quick Import Excel macro you downloaded from my Oracle support. Before you can start entering data, you must make sure macros are enabled in Excel. Next, you enter the names of the legal entity and the business unit Oracle created for you. You can get these from the Review Company Information page. Use the default mapping in the application for your import as you're not making any changes to the columns in the macro. Next, you must fetch from the server any additional resource roles you created. These are the titles for the people in the sales organization. To retrieve the resource roles, click the Populate Roles from Server button and enter the host name and your sign-in details. You can copy the host name from the URL of your application. Clicking the Submit button retrieves the additional roles. You are now ready to enter the user information. Because you're importing a hierarchy, you must start at the top of the hierarchy you're importing and work your way down. I enter the first and last names and the email address. Entering the manager's email builds the hierarchy. I enter the resource role, and because this is a manager, I must enter a name for his organization as well. For the first user, I also enter the name of his manager's organization. Now I enter my second user. Notice that this time the manager's organization name is defaulted by the macro automatically. When I enter the resource role for an individual contributor, the organization name column is grayed out. That's because individual contributors inherit their manager's organization. I'm done with my entry, so I click Create Import Activity. The host and login information are the same, so I click Submit. I can monitor the import process by clicking the Activity Details button. I refresh to see the latest status. When the import is complete, I can generate and save a log of the information I imported. You can see that the macro automatically filled in a lot of additional information required by the application. I can verify the hierarchy I imported in the resource directory. Thank you.